Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the developments going on the North Coast. Read the hotels. Now, in the last couple of days, a lot of announcements were made hotels being built on the North Coast. Billions of US dollars, billions are being spent or are proposed to be invested into Jamaica. So we're going to go through those for you. Now, Grand Palladium operates a hotel in Jamaica and they plan to build two more hotels at a cost of 700 million US dollars. Over 1,000 more hotel rooms. And that speaks volumes for Jamaica because they operate a hotel here, so they know what it entails, they know they're going to get visitors, and they know it's going to be profitable. So they are investing 700 million more for two hotels in Jamaica. Then just recently, the Pinnacle, a 28-story hotel, is going to be built in Montego Bay. Now the Pinnacle is 4 towers at 28 floors each, and it's all four will be the tallest building in Jamaica. But one of the 4 towers is going to operate as a hotel. It's being built under the Pinnacle development, but they are actually going to outsource the hotel to another company. So they'll build it, and then another company comes in, brands it, and runs it. 28 floors. It's actually floors. It's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica, making it the tallest hotel in Jamaica. That development is about another 100 million US. Well, the entire development. No, that price couldn't be right. Let's forget that price. The newspaper had said 350 million to build these 4 towers, but that must have been a typo because it's going to cost billions. Then in Montego Bay again, you have 3 hotels being built. 3. The Hard Rock Casino, which is 1,000 rooms. You have the Unico, which is going to be another couple hundred rooms. And then you have another hotel. I've heard it being saying it's going to be, I'm not sure what the third hotel name is going to be, but 3 hotels, almost 3,000 rooms are being built at that project, and they've started. And then further up the road, you have the Rio Aguilera, which is being built in Trelawney. It's going to be finished this year, another 754 rooms. Then further up in Trelawney, you have Harmony Cove, which is a US billion dollar investment that's going to build a massive development, including hotels in Trelawney. And then when you get over to St. Anne, you have the Bahia Principal announcing that they are going to be building 2 more hotels in Jamaica at a cost of 1.5 billion US dollars. And they operate the largest hotel in Jamaica now, Bahia Principal in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, 1,350 rooms. And they're building 2 more. Then further up you have Secrets. That's going to be building a 700-room hotel in Richmond, also in St. Anne. And those are the major hotel projects. So Jamaica currently has 30,000 hotel rooms. Oh, I'm sorry guys, we started in Lucy, in Hanover, listing the hotel projects. But the largest hotel project in Jamaica is actually being built. It's on the way. How this name slipped me now? Princess Resorts is building a 2,000 room hotel It's under construction, and the first 1,000 rooms should become operational or should be finished this year. 2,000 rooms. It's going to be the largest hotel in Jamaica because it's 2,000 rooms and the Bahia principal is 1,350. So when finished, it will be the largest hotel in Jamaica. So there is a lot of investment going on in Jamaica, and it has just begun. This is the tip of the iceberg as to what's to come. So we really have to give the government credit and really have to give the Minister of Tourism credit, because I don't know if anybody can remember such massive developments taking place in Jamaica. So much construction is taking place in Jamaica. It's unbelievable. Now, the infrastructure for these hotels are also being improved. From Montego Bay, or in Montego Bay, you have the Sangster International Airport, largest airport in Jamaica, third largest airport in the Caribbean. It's been expanded to accommodate the additional tourists or the additional visitors that are coming in. Now, 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through that airport. So the government is expanding the airport. Then to get from Montego Bay to the hotels in Hanover, that's the Princess Resort and the Grand Palladium, you have to take the road. And the government is building a highway between Montego Bay and Lucy or Hanover. Actually, it's going all the way to Negril, because these hotels, although they're located in Hanover, they're listed as Negril, which is fine because Negril is expanding. And Negril is in both parishes now. The town of Negril is in Westmoreland and Hanover, and Negril is going to become a city very soon. The government has announced it, and the road is being upgraded to a highway. And then to get from Montego Bay to Trelawney to Ocho Rios, that road is also being upgraded. So a lot of developments going on in Jamaica. Read it, hotels, billions of US dollars are going to be invested. So we'll keep you guys updated. We will give you the actual construction footage of all these projects. We'll give you updates every 2 weeks. But today we're just giving you a quick update as to what's going on. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.